Hi, hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video from us. Today we have something really important here in this Avnet box. Let's get on with it. As exception for the last unboxing stuff, today we are unboxing customer value and for more specifically next day repair and problem solving for our customers. Just wanted to give you one case example, actually from the last week with our customer, where we delivered several industrial PCs to customer, and customer found out that there was a problem with the operating systems in the PCs. So what we managed to do is we gathered all the PCs with the problem and did a problem shooting here in our lab, and also fixed the problem and delivered PCs back to the customer within one working day. This shows an excellent value that we can provide for our customers in their solutions. In this particular case, our customer did not suffer for any production loss or any major issues despite of this problematic situation with PCs. So once again, I think one of the big customer value that we can provide, that we have technical support locally, and we can help our customers to get their products working from really fast and without any hassle. Okay, thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.